Hello listeners, getting ready for your board exams, huh? I'm pretty sure you guys are stressed, yaar. Well, buckle up because I've got 10 tips for you to make it a breeze without any stress. Here's your first tip. Stay positive. Yes, keep a positive vibe. It's like your favorite song that keeps you going. With the right mindset, you can hit those high notes of success. Moving on to the next tip. Plan your study groove. Create a study plan that suits you. Break down the big topics that scares you into smaller bits and stick to the plan. It's like making your own study playlist. And here's the most important tip. Take breaks and stay hydrated. Yes, you heard me right. Just like a good song, take breaks in between and stay hydrated as it helps you absorb what you have learned and keeps you in the zone. Here's the next tip. Move your body. Yes, exercise regularly as it keeps you in good shape both physically and mentally, making it easier to focus during exams. Moving on to the next tip. Eat well. Don't ever skip meals. Always eat a balanced diet as it helps you concentrate better. And most importantly, say no to junk food. It's like a bad remix for your health. Sixth tip. Practice with mock test. Take practice test to get the feel of the real deal. It's like rehearsing for a performance. You'll know your stuff better then. Tip number 7. Get enough sleep. Rushing to study, you don't have to sacrifice your sleep, yaar. Just ensure you get a good night's sleep of at least 8 hours. It's like charging up your batteries for the next day's challenges. Here's the next tip. Use memory tricks. Now, you might be wondering what I mean by use memory tricks. Well, I mean that you have to create simple memory aids for tough topics that you can't seem to remember. Using memory trick is like creating shortcuts for your brain to remember things. Moving on to the 9th tip. Working on your weak spots. Identify your weak areas and give them some extra attentions. It's like tuning your instrument before the big concert. Here's the last and most important tip. Reward yourself. When studying for a long time, it's normal that you get bored. So take a break when you need it and reward yourself for finishing tasks. It's like celebrating small victories along the way. Hope these tips make your exam journey smoother. Follow them and success will be your companion. Wishing you all the best for the upcoming exams. Thank you guys.